Well, that is literally the bomb. Let's fly by. Welcome to FlyBy, powered by AOPA. We are coming to you from EAA AirVenture 2017 in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. My name is Paul Harrop, and we are here at the AOPA campus, right along the flight line at the Brown Arch, and it is Bomber Day.
They're beautiful machines of mass destruction. The B-1B, B-2 Stealth, and the B-52 took part in the air show, but they were dwarfed by Doc and Fifi. The B-29s are the same type that dropped the atomic bomb to end World War II.
What an incredible sight. It's been nearly 60 years since two Boeing B-29 Superfortress bombers have flown together. We got to see them here at Oshkosh. In addition to the hardware that helped win the war, the people that flew on those machines are being celebrated here at AirVenture. There's a very special P-51 Mustang called Pecos Bill, and its owner uses the airplane to say thank you to the greatest generation.
When Cowden Ward became the owner of Pecos Bill, he knew he had to give back. The Mustang is a perennial favorite at Osh, but Pecos Bill stayed busy, giving rides to any veteran they could, and the reactions were priceless.
Yeah! How was the ride, young man?
There ain't enough M's in yummy to describe that.
Well, they wouldn't call it the world's greatest aviation celebration if that weren't true, and 2017 is no different.
More than 10,000 airplanes and nearly 600,000 people ticked off the Osh box this year. In addition to the bombers, the Apollo astronauts and comic book icon Stan Lee were on hand.
Well, it wouldn't be Oshkosh without an air show, and the United States Navy is here as a headlining act for the very first time. But in addition to the cool moves that they do in the sky, there's a great human story here.
The Blue Angels are the world's elite aviators, but when they get to Oshkosh, they're just as giddy as anyone else. Commander Ryan Bernacki is the flight lead of the team. He grew up flying with his dad, but this is the first time either of them are at AirVenture. So father and Blue Angel son get to explore Oshkosh as two pilots together.
Well, speaking of Oshkosh first-timers, AOPA's Emily Ramsey is here for the very first time. You may know her from Behind the Logbook. Here's her impressions of the seaplane base.
Hey guys, good morning. Come check out the seaplane base.
This week with a look at the air show action. My name is Paul Harrop, and we'll see you next time.